And ladies and gentlemen, this whole month, the India Alliance members, one after the other, kept abusing. They kept abusing Sanatan Dharma. They were openly asking for the eradication of Hinduism and equating Hinduism to various diseases and other such things. And they thought they could get away with it, but I'm delighted that the Supreme Court has now sent them notices. Let's debate.
It's been 20 days since the India Alliance launched an all-out attack on Sanatan Dharma. And with each day, the slander and mockery of the Hindu faith has escalated.
Those who are living Indians in other countries also propagating caste in the name of Hindu religion. So Hindu religion is the biggest menace not only to India, now it is a menace to the entire world.
नारी शक्ति वंदन अधिनियम, मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आया कि ये लेजिस्लेशन है या किसी तरह का धार्मिक ग्रंथ की एक उसका शीर्षक है.
Now, a plea in the Supreme Court has sought an FIR against Stalin Jr. and others for hate speech.
Today, Supreme Court has issued notice to the state government as well as to all the parties who have been made, who are parties in the writ petition. And the writ petition was filed to declare that the conference held to eradicate Sanatana Dharma as unconstitutional, and also to register FIRs against the persons who made those speeches and to restrain them from making future speeches also.
I.N.D.I.Ali DMK has given a hint as to what its response is going to be like.
Let them say what is Sanatana Dharma. We have evidences that Sanatana Dharma includes Manu Dharma. We are against Manu Dharma. That's all. We want everybody to be treated on par. So let us meet in the court and we will reply in the court.
But whatever the political imperatives are, the Sanatanis have had enough.
कुछ लोग सनातन धर्म के नाम पर छींटाकशी कर रहे हैं. कोई सनातन धर्म को जातिवादी बताता है, कोई सनातन धर्म में भेदभाव दिखाता है, कोई सनातन के ग्रंथों में दोष दिखाता है. हमारे वेद शास्त्र में और सभी प्रकार के हमारे सनातन के ग्रंथों में किसी भी प्रकार का कोई दोष नहीं है. हम सब में एक ही ब्रह्म, एक ही परमात्मा को देखते हैं.
There can be no more free run to hate mongering against Hinduism and Sanatan. Let's debate.
Dr. Suresh Mane, I think there should be lessons in this, because there are various people who are building Hindu hate and then they take these excuses, you know, oh no, we are for social justice. No, I don't think so. I think if you're for social justice, then you should speak about other religions too and what happened in other religions. And you should speak about the social reform in Hinduism. And just because some people have chosen to not be Hindus anymore and move to another religion does not give them, they have a right to not be Hindus, but you don't have a right to abuse Hindus. And this distinction is to be made. I think I'm very happy that the Supreme Court has issued notice. Your first thoughts on this, Suresh Mane, please, who is the founder and president of the Bahujan Republica Socialist Party. Dr. Mane.
Thank you. Arnab, thank you. Now the SC has given the notice to the Tamil Nadu government. And the Tamil Nadu government will respond appropriately, explaining what they do mean, what the Junior Stalin has spoken about the Sanatana Dharma, because Tamil Nadu, sociologically, they have a different tradition, which is anti-Vedic tradition. That is the tradition cultivated by the Periyar and Annadurai. And therefore, they have their own social orientation about the social reforms, about the religion, and they will explain before the Supreme Court. And if the Supreme Court thinks fit and proper, it will accept. Otherwise, Supreme Court will issue the appropriate direction. Nothing wrong about it. But as those who are now, who have come before the media and the whole world as the protagonists of the Sanatan Dharma, they should at least define what is the total ambit of the Sanatan Dharma and what it means actually. If they explain it, what the Sanatan Dharma means, and then only it will be possible for the Supreme Court also. So both the sides will have to explain their position, and that is the good for the debate and good for the knowledge also in this country.
May I come in, Arnab?
I'll get Sanju before you, because I will come to you, Sanju. Just let me get a first word in from Ratan Sharda to quickly respond to this. Do you agree with this interpretation of the Supreme Court notice, or do you view this differently? Dr. Ratan Sharda.
I have a lot of issues. First of all, Supreme Court said on 28th August that if there is any hate speech, police should take immediate action, should not so much action without waiting for even FIR to be filed. On 15 September, 262 eminent citizens wrote a letter to Supreme Court asking for action against Zanidhi Maran, but Supreme Court refused to take an action. So now on 22nd 9, Supreme Court has finally taken cognizance of a complaint filed by a citizen. So where is the SOP of no FIR required to file a case? That is my first pain. Second is, has people like Mane ever raised question about any other religion and asking them to go to Supreme Court and get the clarification? Why the religions need to go on street and be the pulp out of the people, sab tan se juda, and not wait for the Supreme Court judgment? So this cannot be one-way street that Hindu should always carry the cross of secularism and tolerance, when people keep on abusing the very basis of this nation, which is Sanatan. And you speak of 100 years of a so-called tradition of EVR and Annadurai, but you don't talk of... Wait, aapne bol liya, let me speak. So you speak of 100 years at least tradition, but 5,000 year tradition has no meaning for you. So all the people in below, when they who are following Sanatan Dharma for 100 and 1,000 years, decide. You will question them. Then who are you? Why are you here? If you can't give an opinion, don't come here to give lectures. Either you give your opinion, you say whether you are right or wrong.
We must untouchability. You are going to receive the body blows.
Something about Dr. Ambedkar.
If your Sanatan Dharma consists of the caste untouchability, discrimination and oppression, exploitation and persecution, then why you people are being hurt? If your Sanatan Dharma don't recognize the caste, untouchability, discrimination, oppression, exploitation, persecution, why you people are worried about such a Dharma then? That is not your Dharma.
You see
Why you are worried about
I wish to bring in.
If your Dharma don't recognize the caste,
Mr. Ratan Sharda,
discrimination, oppression, persecution, why you are
Mr. Ratan Sharda and Suresh Mane. Suresh Mane and Mr. Ratan Sharda. May I, Dr. Mane, before I come to Sanju, make one small point from my side? Can I make one small point from my side, and then Sanju also wants to respond to you, Sanju, back on it. 1 second. I wish to make a point, Dr. Mane, and thank you, Ratan Sharda. Thank you, Ratan Sharda ji. Ratan Sharda ji. It's not a question of you people and we people. My God, I mean, I must intervene in this debate. Okay, let me bring in Sanju Verma to respond to Suresh Mane, please. Thank you. Sanju Verma.
Okay, thank you, Arnab. I did not interject Mr. Mane, so I'm sure he will extend the courtesy to me. You know, the entire narrative by Udayanidhi Stalin or beat A. Raja, please Mr. Mane, Udayanidhi Stalin or beat A. Raja of the DMK or beat K.S. Adagiri of the Congress or beat T.R. Balu of the DMK, when they were asked, why did you say Sanatan Dharma should be eradicated? What did each one of them say, Arnab? They very conveniently said, हम सनातन धर्म के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are not criticizing Hinduism or Sanatan Dharma. We are criticizing the caste-based hierarchy within
you
Sanatan
supporters
Dharma.
of the Sanatan Dharma
Can you
first?
please keep quiet?
Are you supporters of the Sanatan Dharma?
Mr.
Are
Mane,
you supporter of Sanatan Dharma?
Can you show some decency?
No, are you supporter of Sanatan Dharma? Please clarify your position. Please clarify your position. Are you supporter of Sanatan Dharma? Are you supporter of Sanatan Dharma?
Yes, sir. I am, sir. I am a supporter. 1 minute. There is no need for a clarification. I am a follower and a believer of Sanatan Dharma, sir.
I am not saying Hindu.
And along with 100 crore Hindus, we are.
Are you
Arnab,
supporter of Sanatan
Don't
Dharma?
try and differentiate between Sanatan Dharma and Hinduism. I am a believer in Sanatan Dharma. 100 crore Indians
So there is no
are. More than
difference.
80% of the
If there
population
is
of
no
Tamil Nadu is
difference,
also.
if
Sanju
there
is on the debate.
difference,
Sanju is on the debate.
if
Sanju
there
is on the debate.
difference,
Dr. Mane,
then
don't
why
stop us.
Chakradan
Sanju
Swami?
is on the
Why
debate. Let's have the
Swami
debate now.
Saraswati?
3, 2 versus 1.
Why
Sanju, please.
Bhakeshwara?
Please, Sanju,
Why
now.
differed from the Hinduism?
Are you a
Why
Buddhist?
Bhakeshwara?
Are you a
Why
baptized
Swami
Christian?
Dayananda
I'm telling you, I'm a
Why
practicing
Chakradan Swami
Hindu.
differed from
Who the hell are you? What is your religion?
If you equate the
Batao,
Hindu
what is
Dharma
your
with the
religion?
Sanatan Dharma,
Batao,
you
what
are
is your
damaging
religion?
the
Are you a
Hindu religion.
Buddhist?
You are damaging
Are
the
you a
Hindu
practicing
religion
Hindu?
by equating
Are
the
you a
Sanatan Dharma with the
Christian?
Hinduism.
Or are
You
you
are
a
damaging the
baptized
Hindu religion.
Christian? I don't need lessons in Hinduism from Dogle and Dhakosle bars like you. Now, Arnab, I need to get my time because I
We
did
are
not
not
interrupt
here
this
to
uncooked
teach
man.
you.
Oh, please
We
now.
are not
Come on
here
now.
to teach you.
Arnab, this is not
We
fair.
are not here to teach you.
Aapka rona dhona
If
khatam
you
ho
are
gaya.
the upholder of
Aapka
the
rona
Sanatan
dhona
Dr.
Dharma,
Mane,
be ready.
I request you
Be
to let
ready
her speak
to-
because she
It's
completely listened to you, sir. She listened to you. Calm down, everyone. She listened to you, sir. Let her complete a response to you, sir.
Okay, Arnab.
Thank you.
Thank you. Arnab, I just have this to say to Udayanithi Stalin because Mr. Mane is not important. I want to ask Udayanithi Stalin and I want to ask A. Raja. I have said this in the past, but I will keep repeating it till I get a response. If A. Raja does not believe in caste hierarchy, why on earth, why the hell has A. Raja been contesting the last 3 Lok Sabha elections from Nilgiris, which is the reserved constituency for scheduled caste? I want A. Raja to tell us, is he a practicing Hindu?
Why-
Is he a converted
why
crypto
BJP is
Christian?
extending the
Is he a
reservation by 10
baptized
more years?
Christian? Jawab
Why
do, A.
BJP is
Raja.
extending a
Is
reservation by
Udayanithi
10 more
Stalin
years?
a crypto Christian?
Why
Jawab
BJP is
do.
extending
Is
a
NK
reservation by 10
Stalin a
more
crypto
years?
Christian? Because he says I'm an atheist.
No, don't
you know, I
repeat the
love
rhetoric.
this. People say
Don't
we are
repeat the
atheists
rhetoric.
और
Don't
atheist
repeat
के
the
गांव
rhetoric.
में you
Answer-
want to
answer
attack सनातन
pointedly.
धर्म अब नहीं चलेगा.
Don't repeat the
अब नहीं
rhetoric.
चलेगा. चुप हो
You
जाओ.
answer
रोना धोना
pointedly.
बंद करो. अब नहीं अरे I'm telling you I'm a Hindu. What are you? Are you a Buddhist?
आप
Are you a practicing Hindu?
सनातन धर्म
Are
चालू
you a
रखो.
crypto Christian? जवाब दो. Are you a converted
Are you
Christian?
Sanatan
Did you
Dharma
sell your
holder? You
religion
tell me
for a bag
first.
of rice? Did you sell your religion for a bag of rice? जवाब दो. Are you a rice bag convert? Are you a rice bag convert? जवाब दो.
Arnab,
No, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. No personal attacks there. No personal attacks there. Sanju, don't do that. Sanju, not necessary. Sanju, not necessary. Please, let's remain on the subject. What I'm saying to you, sir.
जवाब दो.
Indian
No, Sanju, don't do that.
mechanism,
Sanju, don't do
even
that.
respect the
Sanju, such
atheism.
descriptions are not necessary.
Atheism.
I want
You
to
should
ask you,
also
Mr.
understand that.
Mr. Suresh Mane, listen to me, sir. Listen to me.
Why don't you ask him what his
Fact
religion
of-
is?
fact of the
I said
matter
I'm a
is-
practicing Hindu.
Can I
Why
just
is
ask him what I
ashamed
want
say
to
what
ask
his
him,
religion
Sanju,
is?
and not have you prompting me? Let me ask him what I want to ask him because I have a more pertinent question for him. You see, Dr. Mane, see here. Whatever your religion, sir, and I'm not asking you what your religion is. I will not abuse your religion. You don't abuse mine. Point 1. Point number 2. So I'm fundamentally clear on this. I cannot abuse your religion by trying to create a divide between parts of your religion, faiths in your religion, nuances within your religion, and try and attack you for it. So when you say, are you Sanatani or Hindu? I am a Hindu and a Sanatani, and all Sanatanis are Hindus and all Hindus are Sanatanis. Don't try to make this divide. I am against Hindutva, not Hinduism. Third point, very
Then
clearly,
go back to
Dr.
Gandhi.
Mane, you know the
Go
mistake
back
you're
to
making.
Gandhi. Arnab,
You know the
go
mistake
back to
you're
Gandhi
making.
and
I'll tell you
Wapar.
the mistake you're making.
Go back
Have
to
the courage
Mahatma
to listen
Gandhi.
to me.
You keep
Have the
talking
courage to
Mahatma
listen to me,
Gandhi.
sir.
Do you agree
Have
that
the-
hijab is a
distinguishes
regressive
between
piece
the
of
Have the
Sanatan
courage
Dharma
to
and
listen to me.
Hinduism?
I will go back 5,000 years. Why only to Mahatma Gandhi?
Hindu nation.
I will say this to you, sir.
Do you agree with
India
the
I'll tell you one thing, sir.
hijab?
Kindly go and refer to
I would just say this. Dr. Mane, listen. Sanju, one line to him, please, if I may. One line to him. Without anger towards you, with compassion towards you, I want to say. I want to be compassionate to you, Dr. Mane. Please listen to me. I just want to be compassionate to you, Dr. Mane, empathetic and compassionate to you. My only point to you, sir, is my religion, Sanju, please, Sanju, let me make my point to you. No, I want to make... Ladies and gentlemen, I will only say this as a student of social anthropology and sociology, that India's Vedic tradition cannot be interpreted by French and British social anthropologists who have put their version of caste on their understanding of Indian society. It is the French and British sociologists and social anthropologists who tried to define India by caste and Hinduism by caste. They will never succeed, and they cannot define my country's identity. They cannot define Hindu culture and Hindu history either. This is a debate. I hope the Supreme Court acts to stop this kind of hate speech. I thank you all for joining me. Ladies and gentlemen, proud to tell you once again that we are 10 hours, 4 minutes away from the launch of Republic Canada. I seek your blessings and your support. I'll see you after the weekend. Good night and goodbye.